Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic project report. Friend, this is a very important topic with respect to project management. We will see this topic in detail and we will see that what does it mean by project report in project management. Friend, if you are a student in university and you are planning to give exam of PMP, so this is a very important topic with respect to project management. So friend, if you are studying project management and you are planning to give exam of PMP, so with respect to exam point of view also this is a very important topic. And friend, also if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization, so again this is a the very important topic that you must know that what is project report and how to use in the project. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Project report. Friend, today's topic is project report. First of all, friend, we have to understand that what is a project. Friend, as per the definition, project is a temporary activity which has some beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique product and unique output. That is called as project as per the definition. For example, if you are implementing an e-commerce solution for a customer and you have to implement that project in 4 months, okay, so and after the implementation of project, the e-commerce solution will be available for customer. So we will say that it is a project. Why? Because it has some beginning point, it has some ending point, it is temporary, and it gives you a unique product and output. Similarly, friend, if you are implementing a fund transfer application for for example for a bank, so again within 2 months you have to implement that mobile application for a bank. So again this will be considered as a project. Why? Because within 2 months you have to implement that mobile application, and at the end of the project the mobile application or the fund transfer mobile application will be available for customer. So again this will be considered as a project. Now friend, if you understand the concept of project, we can talk about project report. Friend, project report is a document which provides details on the overall picture of the project. The project report gives an account of the project proposal to ascertain the prospects of the proposed plan slash activity. What does that mean, friend? Then, friend, this was just only a definition. See, try to understand from here. Project report. Friend, for example, you are a project manager and you are implementing an e-commerce solution for a customer, and you have to give a project report to your customer and your senior management. So basically friend, project report means that you just consider this as a Word document in which you explain the overall status of a project, that what you have accomplished, how you are going, what is the status of a project, of which things are completed, which things are pending, what are the issues which you are facing, what are the risks which you are facing, what are the problems, road blockers in your project. So basically friend, as per the project plan, you have to explain the status of a project. So basically friend, when you are submitting the project report, if there are any issues, if you are lacking in the schedule of a project, if there are problems, road blockers in the project, so as per the status report, you can explain the status, you can explain the project to your customer, to your senior management. See friend, here when we are regularly submitting the project report to customer, what happened that most of the questions already killed, because when they are reading the project report, most of the things are mentioned in the report, and the stakeholders, customer, senior management can read the report, and then most of the questions, like 70 to 80 questions, already answered in the project report. So there will be no communication gap, there will be no issue in understanding, and everyone knows that what are the issues, what are the problems due to which project is lacking. Like for example, if resources are not available, so you can mention if the customer stakeholder are not available, like customers availability is not available. So all these factors, all these issues can be mentioned in the project report. So friend, just think of a project report as a health report of a project, in which you describe the status of a project to your senior management, to customer. And the purpose of the making a project report is that basically it will be made by a project manager. And project manager, why he wants to make the project report? Because when you make a project report, it gives a true picture of a project to the management. So everyone who is reading the project report, he can get the understanding that at which level project stands. Is it at risk? Is it in a good shape? Is it going fine? Is it not going fine? So whatever the status, the person, the relevant stakeholders can read the project report and they can understand from it. Now friend, what we should have to include in the project report? First of all, friend, overall status of the overall health of the project. Overall health means that either project is on track, project is off track, project is on risk, project is in a critical stage, project is in a very good shape, etc. So normally we can use the some color indicator like green for good, yellow for like for example not good, and red for on risk. Normally we use these types of indicators in a report just to show the health of the project. Facts about the project progress, like for example, if you are lacking in a project as per the project plan, so you must have to consider, you must have to mention the facts in the project report. Target versus actual accomplishment. For example, as per the plan, you have to accomplish like 10 tasks till now, and you have completed only 7 tasks. So you have to compare, you have to show the comparison like target versus actual in the report. Analysis as well, that what are the main causes, what are the root causes of the issues which you are facing. Action items, like whatever the issues you are facing, you have what are the action items, what are the actions you have taken to mitigate that problems. Risk, any risk which you are facing, any issues which you are facing. Like friend, remember one thing, risk means uncertain condition in a project, like you are not sure whether it will happen or not happen. If it will happen negatively, it will become an issue. It will happen positively, it will become an opportunity for you. So friend, whatever the risk issues you are facing in a project, you have to mention it. Resources who are involving, core resources, who are the core resources who are involved in the project development. Budget, what is the total budget, what is the schedule of a project. Schedule means friend, normally project schedule mean that, for example, if today is for example 20th July, so like for example till end of next month, whatever the task which you are expecting that it will be closed. For example, right now, what as per the project plan, which task should be completed, and either they are completed or not. So we have to compare, we have to show all these factors in a status report. Remember friend, whenever as you are as a project manager, if you are making a project report, you should have to be a neutral person. Remember one thing, friend, you should not be a biased person, like not like you should not be make the report in that manner that all the mistakes is on the customer side and the vendor side is there is no mistakes. So friend, you should have to be a neutral person. Whatever the issues, whatever the problem, what are the facts about the project. Remember friend one thing, that if you are communicating properly, it will be a good report. If you are hiding the facts and you are not giving the true picture or actual picture of a project, it will be wrong and your report will be rejected. Okay, then keys for effective project reporting. First of all friend, submit the report on time. If the report time is Monday, so you should have to submit the report on every Monday. Giving complete information, like friend, half information should not be given. Like it should not be a case like you are only giving 50% information and 50% information you are hiding. It should not be a case. Do not cover up the bad news. If there is any problem, any issue, so you should have to place it on the table. If team has accomplished some major improvement, some major accomplishment, so you should have to properly mention it. Also, you should anticipate the questions from the clients and stakeholders. You should not expect that if you are just submitting the report and there will be no questions. Company culture and organizations culture, you should be aware of that, that what are the company culture, what should be they are expecting from you, you should be aware of that. Also friend, there will be no information overload, means that status report or project report should not be like that it's overloaded. Like for example, 8 to 10 pages project report should not be a good project report. Should be 1 to 2 page, it should not be more than 2 pages. In the 2 pages you must have to complete the project report, because you know that everyone is busy, no one has so much time that he can read a 10 to 15 page report should be 1 to 2 page, and you should use some graphical representation to show this project report or status of a project. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. Thank you, thanks a lot.